Hi, this is Vishnu from Speed News. I welcome you in today's bulletins. India is not expecting a war with China on the border issue, but it's fully prepared if such a situation arises. Indian Air Force, that is AAF Chief RKS Bhadauria, said on Saturday. If you love non-vegetarian food, Chennai is not the place to be, at least till the end of this month, because the Chennai Corporation has ordered all slaughterhouses and meat and poultry shops to be shut down during the current 12 days lockdown period, citing overcrowding at these outlets, especially during the weekends. Amid growing tensions between India and China, the Finance Ministry has proposed putting restrictions on pensions fund investments from any of India's bordering countries. Srishant is set to return to professional cricket later this year when his ban ends in September. The Indian speedster was banned for life after he was found guilty in alleged spot fix scandal during IPL 2013. However, the ban was reduced to 7 years in 2019. Cricket Australia's interim CEO Nick Hawklin has said that fans will be allowed inside stadiums whenever the T20 World Cup will be held in Australia. The fate of the T20 World Cup, which is scheduled to begin in October, is still undecided due to the ongoing COVID-19 crisis worldwide. Leander Paes on Saturday said he is concerned about the already postponed Tokyo Olympic next year, saying with global economy taking a hit due to the COVID-19 pandemic, he is worried about how the revenue would be generated for the sporting spectacle, especially if it is held behind closed doors. No decision on resuming international flights operation has been made so far. The exact time when we will resume international flights depends on other countries to be open to receive flights. Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri was quoted as saying by news agency ANI. A plea has been moved in the Supreme Court for recall of June 18 order staying the world famous Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra in Puri, saying the ritual can be performed by 500 to 600 servitors by following the necessary guidelines including social distancing and other conditions. Contrary to ongoing reports, the government of India hasn't ordered Google and Apple to ban Chinese apps like TikTok and CamScanner from Play Store and App Store respectively. The government's clarifications come in response to a viral message of an order allegedly from the National Informatics Center, that is NIC, doing the rounds claiming that Google and Apple have been prohibited from making some very specific apps available on their respective stores.
अवघ्या 6 किलोमीटर अंतरावर निसर्गरम्य वातावरणात साकारलाय विठाई चंद्राई लॉन आणि मंगल कार्यालय. इथं आहे तब्बल 1500 लोकांची बैठक व्यवस्था असलेला 13000 स्क्वेअर फुटांचा भव्य अक्षता हॉल, तसंच 7000 स्क्वेअर फुटांवर पसरलेला आलिशान लॉन, म्हणजेच मंगलमयी क्षणांसाठीचे परफेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन. शिवाय 500 लोकांकरता 8000 स्क्वेअर फुटांचा डायनिंग हॉल, जोडीला 2000 स्क्वेअर फुटांचे हायजिनिक किचन, राहण्यासाठी सर्व सोयींनी युक्त सुसज्ज अटॅच्ड 18 रूम्स, तसंच 1 एकर परिसरामध्ये प्रशस्त सुरक्षित पार्किंग, सीसीटीव्ही तसेच साऊंड सिस्टीमची ही सोय. याबरोबरच शुद्ध मुबलक पाणी, जनरेटरची सुविधा, म्हणूनच विविध मंगल कार्यांसाठी सुविधांनी परिपूर्ण एकच नाव विठाई चंद्राई लॉन आणि मंगल कार्यालय. मुक्काम पोस्ट वाकरे फाटा, गगनबावडा रोड, कोल्हापूर. बुकिंग साठी संपर्क 7057 25 91 92 आणि 99 21 32 0009.